Welcome back. Continuing the news. Government and opposition MPs clashed over food supply for areas now under quarantine. The issue came up in Gordon House last night after the Prime Minister delivered his budget presentation. Vashon Brown has the details.
Part of the concern that we have on this side is the experience coming out of Bull Bay.
Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Maurice Guy, was referring to food shortage concerns that were raised in the first quarantine zone in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. He argued that the situation should not be repeated in the corn peas settlement in Clarendon.
And I will not resile from the point I'm making, Mr. Speaker, that concerns that people have expressed about the lack of food, about the lack of what is happening by the state. And I'm just imploring the Prime Minister to ensure that we do not have a repetition of the concerns that people have and to learn from this particular experience.
On a point of order. On a point of order, Speaker.
Point of order. Turn the microphone and sit down.
Bull Bay is in East Rural St. Andrew. The MP for the area, Juliet Holness, rose to respond to the statements.
It is a misleading and false statement. It is a point of order, misleading the House. You would have to have proof to substantiate, and I will have proof to refute. Do not mislead the House.
Mr. Speaker, I will not resile from the statement that I've made, and that is that people have complained about that. Whether it is so or not that there's a shortage of food, I did not say there was. I said that people have complained, and that is not misleading the House.
Southwest St. Catherine MP Everald Warmington then intervened, arguing that politics is at play in some of the food shortage reports.
The Speaker, he knows that the person who gave that interview on Park Radio is a PNP activist, and she got several packages. So don't come with it.
Mr. Speaker,
Dali, sit down. Riffraff Dali, sit down.
I think the opposition has the right to respond to the Prime Minister's statement. And I implore you, Mr. Speaker, to protect the right of the opposition lead business. The opposition, please protect the right of the member to respond to what the Prime Minister said.
The Prime Minister says the government will not allow food shortage concerns to compromise the COVID-19 response.
Once I hear a complaint about food, we will make the necessary resource allocation. If we have to put a bus and pack it with packages or a dumper truck and take it to the community so that there is no need for persons to try and break the quarantine, I will do it personally.
Don't let me name you, please.
In my hazmat suit.
Mr. Holness also adds that the Ministry of Local Government already has 1,500 food packages ready for distribution in corn peas. He argues that the community will be properly stocked with food, so food shortage will not be an issue.
I want to thank you for that reassurance. So if that is done, then you will not have people complaining about the same thing like there. Fine.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.